Last night we sent a couple of our newer volunteers out for a walk on the beach to try to catch a female loggerhead that's been coming in and not successfully laying for a couple of nights. Lo and behold, we get a phone call at midnight and they've got a turtle on the beach. Sure enough, there's a beautiful loggerhead, our first for the season, down on the beach laying her eggs. And we're able to get down there and measure her and put some tags on her flippers as well, so that when she comes back this season, we'll be able to identify her. So she'll come up every 2 weeks for around 4 to 5 clutches of eggs. So we will hopefully be seeing her all the way through to the end of January on our beaches, and she'll have lots and lots of hatchlings hopefully leaving our beaches towards the end of summer. Last year we had about 5,000 hatchlings emerge from our nests on the coast. Around 1 in 1,000 of those hatchlings will survive to adulthood. So in around 30 years' time, when our children are growing up on the coast, we're hopefully going to see 5 of our hatchlings from last season returning to nest on the Sunshine Coast beaches. There's a lot of difficulty for hatchlings out there. There's a lot of fish that love to eat hatchlings, and then as they grow older, the predators grow larger as well. And along with that, there's a lot of human impacts that impact our sea turtle populations as well. So they've got a lot of challenges, but they are a very resilient species, and we're just trying to give them the best helping hand that we can. For our nests on the Sunshine Coast, the process is when we find the eggs, we put some mesh over the top to make sure no predators get in. After that, we assess the nest location, make sure that it's a safe one. This particular nest is not so safe. It's in a highly erosion-prone zone of the beach, so we will probably relocate this one in about a month's time, where those hatchlings can emerge and move safely to the water's edge by themselves. The main predator for our loggerheads here on the coast is coastal foxes. Fortunately, the meshing process that we have in place here on the coast has decreased fox predation almost down to zero. So as long as we're consistent with meshing our nests and the public support us in keeping that mesh on the nest during summer, then we know that our hatchlings are going to be really, really safe. We're hoping to see the same amount of nests as last year, which was around 50 to 60, I believe, on our bottom half of the coast. And then the Coolum and North Shore District Coast Care folks on the northern half of the coast have a whole nother swag of nests as well. So we're hoping to equal that or better. That's always our aim, but it really is up to Mother Nature to kind of decide when those turtles can come in and see us.